Okay, let's see if we can get the M91 hit and miss engine firing. I've put fuel in, adjusted the carburetor needle, we'll turn it on, the fuel's up to the carby. Let's see if we can flick start it, take it up to the compression. One more try, there we go. Okay, turn it off. These are very nice. What's nice about these is that they have the inbuilt radiator that you fill with water, and it helps keep there's a water jacket in here, and it helps keep that engine that's not even warm to the touch. So there we have it, the M91 hit and miss engine from OKMO Microcosm, made by Jen. Really nice. You can see there's a bit of oil coming out the muffler. So this is the first time I've run this on Marvel's mystery oil, and it's running pretty well. Let's see if we can kickstart that once more. Hand start it. Turn it off. It's nice a bit to be able to flick start these with your hand. But okay, the M91, and I have got one of the spring weights off the governor, so you can see that's a little bit easier for it to open up, and that's causing it to run a little bit slower. I'd still like to get this running slower. But all in all, a very nice hit and miss engine for anybody's collection. As always, bye for now.